know, sometimes you gotta learn shit the hard way. This time I literally learned shit the hard way. Wasn't even my shit. That was the guy I bought it from. Shit. Not cool. Yeah, that's shit. I do a lot of stupid shit. Do you ever look at stuff that people build and go, how the fuck did you do that? Like this handle right here. Somebody put that hose there right in the way of the handle. Every time you dump the shit, you gotta fight the stupid thing. I'm over it. Luckily, there's a very simple solution for that. It's called power tools. I have shit sickles. Definitely shit sickles. Shit sickle is now there. That happened. Did you hear that? That's the sound of success. 3 hours and 25 minutes. It took me 3 hours and 25 minutes to get the shit sickle out of the motorhome through 20 feet of hose and into the drain. I took a shower in shit, piss, toilet paper, and soapy water. Mostly shit, piss, and toilet paper. Because that's what the shit sickle consisted of. I'm now in the motorhome. I'm in urgent need of changing my coat, my pants, and my boots.